Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log into Bank of China Limited Singapore branch on iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Open the Bank of China app. First unlock your iPhone and locate the Bank of China mobile banking app on your home screen. Next tap the app once to open it. Step 2. Welcome and security reminder. When the app opens, you will see the Bank of China welcome screen. For your security, always make sure you are logged in from a safe and private environment. Step 3. Enter your username or login ID. Next tap on the login file and enter your username or login ID. This is the ID you created when registering for Bank of China online or mobile banking. Step 4. Authenticate with password or biometrics. Now enter your password. If you have enabled Face ID or Touch ID, you can simply look at your screen or place your finger on the home button to log in quickly. Step 5. One-time password verification. For additional security, Bank of China may request a one-time password, also known as an OTP. Enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile number or approve the request in the app. And that's how you can log in into Bank of China Limited Singapore branch on an iPhone. Now you can check your balance, transfer funds, pay bills or manage your banking using the Bank of China app. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.